Hey guys, what's up? About 3 years ago, I made this video about how to make your YouTube channel private in 2016, and I've kind of stopped doing YouTube since then, but I've gotten heaps of comments asking, could you make an updated version for 2019, 2018, so on. And I thought, you know what, I might just do that because it's pretty simple. It's basically the same. It's just kind of a new format from YouTube. So basically what you need to do is click on this icon with your picture, and then you need to choose down the bottom settings, and then it will bring you this page where you can click over here, advanced settings, just like my last video said, and down the bottom you have the button that says delete channel, and this can be pretty daunting. You don't want to, if you value your YouTube channel, you probably don't want to click that because you're scared of losing your channel, which is fair, but it will first make you enter your password and take you to this page where it gives you the option to either hide or permanently delete your content. You can delete everything if that's what you want to do, but I'm assuming if you're watching this video you just want to hide it. Maybe you made Minecraft videos when you were 12 and you regret that and you don't want people finding that, or whatever reason you have, it will bring you this page, and you got to click that you understand what it's going to do. So essentially, by hiding your channel, you're going to keep your channel name, your likes, your subscriptions to other channels, and the subscribers to your channel when you re-enable it. And so essentially, if you have 100 subscribers and you hide it, once you do bring your channel back, you will keep your 100 subscribers, you'll keep all your likes, so on. However, all your comments will be deleted, and your replies on these comments. So if someone says, yo, this is a really cool video, and you say, oh thanks, both of those comments will be deleted, the comment and the reply, and your data and other Google properties will not be removed. So say if you've got a Google Plus account and you want to hide your channel, it's not going to hide your Google Plus or your whatever else is associated with Google. It's all going to stay the same. This is purely for YouTube. So if you click hide my channel, you gotta say yes because your comments will be permanently deleted. Just keep that in mind. If you don't want to lose your comments, then don't do this. But you're done, channel hidden. It will take some time. Not exactly sure how long, but it does take time. Okay, so you're on YouTube, you want to get your channel back, you want to get going for whatever reason, you can do that really easily. All you have to do is click on the button here and then my channel, and then it will say, it will already have your name in here, and you'll just select create channel, and it will come back exactly as it was before. I made this purely for this video, so I didn't have any content up, but if you had a bunch of videos, then they will all come back. Apart from that, that should be all. Hope this was helpful. If you have any other requests for any other tutorials, just let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.